guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Boxy charm for this month. If I sound kind of weird, I am having extremely bad allergies. Like, this spring has been a nightmare for my nose. So, if I sound a little raspy, that is why. I am getting over, well, not getting over, I'm just beginning these allergies of death because it is spring and spring is always the worst for me. So if I sound kind of weird, sorry. I tried to wait till I started sounding a little bit less stuffy, which I sound less stuffy than I did like 3 days ago. I've been taking like allergy medicine like a total crazy person. So sorry if I sound funny. No, that's a super long thing, but let's get into this video. Alrighty. I do not know what's going to be in this box because I honestly don't remember. So here's the little card. It's all floral and cute. The first thing I see is from Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand in light. So that is what this looks like. It has like a top that opens. I think it's concealer. And then it has like this little spongy bottom. Okay, so this is $27 and it is an intense eye lift in a tube. It's a brightener. I like that. I'm gonna definitely have to try this out. It looks really pretty. So I'm super stoked to try this. I had no idea this was gonna be in here. The next thing I see is from Tik, and it's a brow pencil and brow gel in Americano. Okay, so it's one of these giant, like, things. I have so much stuff from this brand and I never use any of it. Okay, so it's just like a regular eyebrow stick. That's getting really dark. This thingy is It's $26. Ooh, these are colorful. The next thing I see is this lavish brush, like little set. They look so cute. How fun are these? Let's feel them. They feel soft. It has like a pointed end. These are really bright. Like, oh my goodness. And they're very soft. This like little packaging it's in is very like flimsy though. It's like really like moves a lot. Okay, so these are $30. That's pretty good. You get 5 brushes. I think that's a good deal. The next thing I see is Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 lipstick balm, and it's called Topless, and it's like a brown nude, and it's by Sophia Mabella. Okay, this is $15. That is the packaging. It's just like plastic, normal plastic stuff. Nothing crazy. And the last thing I see is this palette called Cab Cosmetics, or from Cab Cosmetics. It's a night eyeshadow palette, or day plus night eyeshadow palette. Okay, this looks very pretty. I really like the purples in this. So this is the palette. It is beautiful. Like, look at this corner here with all these purples. They're so pretty. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. I thought it smelled like something for a second. Never mind. And this is $52. So I think this is the most exciting thing I got in this box. It's a little bit underwhelming for BoxyCharm, in my personal opinion. It's also my birthday month, so I'm a little disappointed, but that's okay. Alright, let's see what this box, its retail value is.
27 plus 52 plus 30 plus 26 plus 15
is $150 even. So that is everything. So it's this cute palette that's really pretty, these brushes, this lipstick, eyebrow thing, and I'm just going to call this concealer, eye brightener concealer. I don't know. It looks like concealer. The applicator's like concealer, and then it has a cute little blending sponge. But I really like that all of this is makeup, which was cool. I didn't get any skincare for once, which is really nice. I love getting brushes and everything, so I'm always down for brushes because I don't like cleaning them, so the more the merrier. But yeah, so that is everything I got in my Boxy charm this month. It was very just like chill, which isn't bad. I kind of enjoyed no skincare for once. I like getting the skincare, I just don't use enough skincare that often that I need it every single month. So it's kind of cool to get just makeup. I feel like that doesn't happen very often with these anymore, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product was and if you get Boxy charm every month. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. We hit over 200. You guys are so amazing. I get way too excited when you guys subscribe. So thank you guys so much for that. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!